Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the PatrolMaster 1296P UHD body camera. This particular unit is offered as a replacement camera only, meaning you get the core device itself, ready for action, especially if you're integrating it into an existing setup or just need the camera unit. Right off the bat, the PatrolMaster boasts 1296p UHD resolution, which means the video quality captured should be exceptionally clear and detailed. For security purposes, having that high resolution is crucial for identifying faces, license plates, or other important details. It also includes built-in audio recording, adding another layer of documentation to the video footage. Storage is handled internally with a generous 64 gigabytes built-in capacity. This provides ample space for recording extended periods of video and audio without needing external cards, which is convenient for a body-worn device. The camera features a 2-inch display, allowing users to frame shots, review recorded footage on the spot, and navigate settings directly on the device. One of the standout features for a security camera, especially one designed for body-worn use, is its durability and low-light capability. The PatrolMaster comes equipped with night vision, utilizing infrared technology to capture clear video even in complete darkness. This is essential for surveillance or security tasks that extend into the night. Furthermore, it's built to withstand challenging conditions, being both waterproof and shockproof. This makes it suitable for use outdoors in various weather conditions or in environments where it might encounter bumps or drops. The design is described as compact, which is important for a body-worn camera. It needs to be relatively unobtrusive and comfortable to wear for long periods. Its primary recommended use is security, and based on its features, high-resolution, audio, night vision, and rugged build, it certainly seems well suited for that purpose, whether for law enforcement, private security, or personal safety. Connectivity is listed as Wi-Fi, which could potentially allow for wireless transfer of files or perhaps even live streaming capabilities, although the specifics aren't detailed. Overall, the PatrolMaster 1296P presents itself as a robust and capable body camera designed with the demands of security applications in mind, offering high-quality recording and durability in a compact form factor.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.